Ospit Silver Rotisserie Package -$400. The Ospit Silver Rotisserie Package is a smart and portable cooking setup, perfect for outdoor adventures like camping or even backyard barbecues. Priced at $400, this stainless steel kit is built to last and super easy to assemble. It lets you roast up to 8 kilograms of meat effortlessly with its battery-powered motor, so you can sit back, relax, and let it do the work. The durable stainless steel skewer makes cleanup quick and simple, while the whole unit packs neatly into a handy carry bag for easy transport. Whether you're grilling by the campfire or cooking for friends at home, this compact rotisserie kit delivers a fun and flavorful experience every time. Pocket Sink. The Pocket Sink is a super handy and compact portable sink made for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just on the go, it gives you an easy way to wash your hands, clean dishes, or even rinse out some clothes. Made from lightweight, waterproof material, it holds several liters of water and is tough enough to handle outdoor use. What makes it extra convenient is how it folds down into a small pouch that fits right into your backpack without taking up much room. It also has strong, leak-resistant seams and sturdy handles, so you can carry and use it with ease. Forget the hassle of carrying large water containers. This little sink is a smart, eco-friendly solution to your water needs when you're out in nature. It's simple, practical, and affordable too, usually priced between $15 and $30. A must-have for any outdoor adventure. Altizen E-Wagon. The Altizen E-Wagon is a super handy electric cart built to help you move heavy stuff with ease. Whether you're heading to the beach, going camping, gardening, or working on a home project, this smart cart has your back. It can carry up to 180 pounds and glides smoothly over all kinds of surfaces, sand, gravel, grass, or bumpy trails, thanks to its rugged all-terrain wheels. The built-in motor and rechargeable battery give you hours of powerful performance, and the easy-to-use handlebar controls make steering a breeze, even uphill or on rough paths. When you're done, the E-Wagon folds up nicely, making it easy to store and transport. It's the perfect companion for anyone who wants to move gear around without breaking a sweat. Cocoon Tree Tent -$990. The Cocoon Tree Tent is a unique, round-shaped hanging tent that lets you sleep up in the air, surrounded by nature. Suspended safely by strong ropes, it keeps you off the damp ground and away from insects or animals, giving you a peaceful and cozy outdoor stay. Made from lightweight aluminum and weather-resistant canvas, the tent is both durable and comfortable. Its modern design blends beautifully with trees, making it feel like a natural part of the forest. Inside, it's roomy enough for 2 people and can be upgraded with soft bedding, lights, and other cozy touches. Whether you're into eco-friendly travel or just want a different kind of adventure, the Cocoon Tree tent turns your outdoor stay into a magical experience. It's the perfect mix of camping thrill and hotel-like comfort, giving you a relaxing hideaway above the ground, right in the heart of nature. Kelty Low Loveseat Nest. The Kelty Low Loveseat Nest is the perfect cozy seat for 2, whether you're around the campfire, at a festival, or just relaxing under the stars. Designed for comfort and connection, this 2-person camping chair comes with 2 soft, removable blankets to keep you warm and comfy on cooler nights. It also includes insulated cup holders to keep your drinks cold and close by. Built with a strong steel frame, it offers solid support and long-lasting durability. Its low-to-the-ground design and gentle recline make it ideal for kicking back and relaxing with a loved one or friend. Whether you're swapping stories, watching the sunset, or just enjoying the peace of nature, this loveseat brings a cozy touch to any outdoor outing. Easy to fold and carry, it's made for adventurers who love to relax in comfort. The Kelty Low Loveseat Nest is priced at $129.95 and available on Kelty's official website and at outdoor retailers like REI. The Asterisk Nomad Kitchen LT Asterisk is the perfect outdoor cooking companion for anyone who loves adventure and good food on the go. Whether you're camping in the mountains, tailgating with friends, or having a peaceful picnic in the park, this compact and smart kitchen setup makes cooking outdoors easy and fun. What makes the Nomad Kitchen LT so special is its asterisk lightweight and foldable design asterisk. You can easily pack it up, carry it, and set it up wherever you need. Despite its portable size, it offers asterisk multiple cooking surfaces asterisk, including a asterisk grill and stovetop asterisk, so you can cook a variety of meals without hassle. Built tough for the outdoors, the Nomad Kitchen LT can handle different weather conditions while keeping your cooking smooth and efficient. It also comes with clever asterisk built-in storage asterisk to neatly organize your utensils, spices, and other cooking essentials, so you're not digging through bags while your food burns. With a price that's reasonable for what it offers, the Nomad Kitchen LT is a must-have for outdoor cooking lovers who value asterisk convenience, versatility, and great taste under the open sky, asterisk. Asterisk asterisk 01 Pump, your outdoor adventure inflator buddy. The 01 Pump is a small but powerful portable air pump perfect for all your outdoor adventures. Whether you're setting up an air mattress, inflatable boat, or other camping gear, this little gadget gets the job done quickly and easily. It's lightweight and compact, so it won't take up much space in your backpack or travel bag, making it a must-have for campers, travelers, and outdoor lovers. What makes the O1 pump stand out is its strong motor and versatile nozzle attachments, which let you inflate all sorts of gear in no time. That means less setup and more time enjoying the outdoors. It's also rechargeable and comes with a USB port, so you can power it up using a power bank, car charger, or wall outlet. Super handy when you're on the go. Built to last and easy to use, the O1 pump is the kind of tool you'll be glad to have on every trip. No more struggling with manual pumps, just press, inflate, and relax. Austrail Blockout Tent. The Austrail Blockout Tent is a game-changer for campers seeking comfort and convenience. Its innovative blockout technology significantly reduces light penetration, allowing for peaceful sleep even in the brightest conditions. This feature, combined with the TT and superior insulation, helps regulate temperature, keeping you cool in the summer and warm in the cooler months. The spacious interior, designed to accommodate multiple sleepers, offers ample room for relaxation and storage. The easy-to-assemble fast frame system ensures quick setup, allowing you to spend more time enjoying the outdoors. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a family looking for a hassle-free outdoor experience, the Austrail Blockout Tent is the perfect Eno Double Nest Hammock. The Eno Double Nest Hammock is your perfect outdoor buddy, whether you're camping, hiking, backpacking, or just chilling in your backyard. Made from soft yet strong fabric, it's roomy enough for 2 people or extra cozy for 1. It's lightweight and packs down into its own built-in bag, so carrying and storing it is a breeze. With triple-stitched seams and sturdy carabiners, it hangs safely and securely wherever you go. Whether you want some solo peace or plan to relax with a friend, the Double Nest offers comfort, convenience, and durability in one easy-to-use setup. Depending on the color and where you buy it, this awesome hammock typically costs between $50 and $80. EvoShell Smartherm Sleeping Bag. The EvoShell Smartherm Sleeping Bag is a high-tech, cozy solution for anyone who loves camping and changing weather. What makes it special is its smart temperature control. Thanks to built-in sensors, the bag adjusts to keep you warm and comfortable all night long. It's perfect for adventurers who need reliable warmth without carrying heavy gear. The lightweight insulation keeps the chill out, while the breathable, water-resistant fabric protects you from moisture and morning dew. Whether you're in the mountains or on a weekend trip, this sleeping bag helps you sleep comfortably in different climates. Plus, it's easy to pack. It folds down small, making it great for backpacking or tossing into your gear without taking up too much space. With cutting-edge comfort and smart features, the EvoShell SmartTherm sleeping bag takes your camping experience to the next level. Prices usually start around $250, depending on the retailer.